Welcome to MaidTV.com. What is your name and nationality?
Venus Season, I'm Filipino.
What kind of job are you looking for?
I'm looking for a nanny.
Nanny job. So you're looking for an employer here in UAE. In which cities and countries are you willing to work? Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Fujairah,
Dubai.
Dubai. Only in Dubai? Only in Dubai?
Only in Dubai.
Okay. Tell me something about your last job. Your last job as a nanny.
Uh, June
That
2009.
was 2009. You said a while ago 2009 until 11, 2011.
Until 11. Yes.
2011. You worked as a nanny for
As a
a,
nanny.
yes. How many children were there in that family?
Only one children.
Only one child. Okay. How
Yes,
old was the child?
3 years old.
3 years old. And why did
Yes.
you leave your job?
Because I'm getting married.
You got married. Okay. What are your salary expectations?
Starting 1.5.
1,000, at least 1,500. Okay.
Uh,
So you're married. Do you have children?
yes.
And they're in the Philippines right
Yes.
now. They're with you. Okay.
Yes.
So when you come here, who's going to take care of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
When you come here, for example, you found an employer who's going to take care of your children. Who will take care of
Taking
your
care of
children? Who will take care of your children when you come here?
my mother-in-law.
Your mother-in-law. Okay. So as a
Yes.
nanny, which activities do you perform with kids? As a nanny,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
activities do you perform with kids? Are you going to teach them how to sing, how to write? What are you going
How
to do?
how to read, how to write,
Mm-hmm. You're going to teach them how to
and
write.
how to good moral.
You're going to teach them the right conduct. Okay. If the
Yes,
baby
good
is
moral and right.
crying, yeah, if the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him?
I will
If the baby is crying, of
and
course, for example, if the baby is crying, what are you going to check first?
her diaper.
Okay, you're going to check if the diaper is full, and then if it is full, you have to change. So what else?
Yes.
What else aside
Uh,
from the diaper? If
Milk.
you're going to
Give
check
a
if
milk.
the baby is hungry, and if the baby is hungry, you have
Yes.
to feed
It's
him.
hungry.
Yes, okay. If one of the children hurts himself, what will you do? If one of the children hurts,
Pardon.
if one of the children hurts himself, what will you do?
First aid.
You're going to give first aid,
First aid.
and then you have to inform your employer. You have to call them immediately so that they will know
Yes,
what
ma'am.
happened to their child.
And I
Okay, so do you know how to
go
cook?
to the hospital.
Do you know how to cook?
A little bit.
A little. So are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am. I
You're willing.
willing to learn
Okay. What do you prefer?
how
Doing housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
cooking.
Cook.
I taking care of baby.
Caring for kids. Okay. And you also like cooking. Okay.
Caring for
You love caring for kids. Okay. How long do you plan staying in this job? How
uh,
long?
2 years.
At least 2 years.
2 years.
Okay. Are you in good health?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm in good health.
Are you comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs, for instance?
Yes, ma'am.
Comfortable with pets. Okay. Why should you be hired? What qualities do you have that makes you different from the other applicants? What qualities?
I'm
Your? What qualities do you have that makes you different from the other applicants? Why should I choose you? If I am the employer, I will ask you, why should I hire you as a nanny for my children?
you choose me because I'm good. to the children, taking care of children.
You're good taking care of children. Okay, what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
Uh,
What do you do during
Singing.
singing? You love to sing. Okay. Thank you.
I
You
love
love singing.
singing.
Thank you very much for your time, Wina. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from ATV.com. Thank you.